Hi, this is Kevin Burke from Remax 10. If you plan on moving to the suburbs, here's one in Tinley Park. 17615 65th Avenue. It's a 3, possibly 4-bedroom home. Priced at $240,000. There's the gas fireplace, wood burning fireplace. This is the bedroom on the main level. Staircase going up. Dining room, eat-in kitchen. There's another staircase going up and a closed patio in back. Full renovated bath. Second area, and also a possible bedroom here. Goes out to the deck. You notice 3-car garage. Let's go upstairs. Here you'll find 2 bedrooms. Nice size, vinyl windows, ceiling fans. And it's all situated on a full basement. Hope you like it. Give me a call. I'm at 708-805-1754.